In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to add music to your video in Canva. It enhances the overall appeal of your project. Whether you're creating a promotional video, a social media post, or a presentation, music can set the mood and captivate your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Start with a new video template. Begin by selecting a video template in Canva that suits your project's style and purpose. If you already have your video content without sound, upload it to Canva. Upload your video. If your video doesn't have sound, simply drag and drop it into Canva. Canva will display your video in the workspace for editing. Upload your music file. To add music to your video, go to the Upload tab, which is the fourth tab from the left on the Canva interface. Click on Upload Files. A File Explorer window will appear. Locate your music file. In the File Explorer, find and select the music file you want to use. It's important to note that this should be an audio file without lyrics, as lyrics might conflict with any narration or existing audio in your video. Upload the music file. After selecting the music file, click Open to upload it to Canva. Once uploaded, you will see the music file listed among your uploaded assets. Add the music to your video. To incorporate the music into your video, drag and drop the music file from the Uploaded Assets panel into the Drop Music area on the Canva timeline. Adjust the timing. To ensure that the music aligns with your video's timing, observe the markers in the audio waveform displayed in the timeline. You can move the music file left or right to sync it with specific scenes or moments in your video. Fine-tune your video. With the music added and synchronized, you can further fine-tune your video by adding text, transitions, and other elements to make it more engaging. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance the impact of your videos in Canva by incorporating the perfect soundtrack. Whether you want to evoke emotions, add energy, or simply create a more immersive experience, the addition of music can make your video project truly shine. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up button below and subscribing to our channel.